tail. D is for duck, who quacks without fail. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, tall and so grand. H is for horse, running over the land. Sing the alphabet song, come along and sing along. Learning new things as we go along. From A to Z, it's as easy as can be. So let's sing the alphabet, come and join my team. A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball that bounces ahead. C is for cat with a soft fluffy tail. D is for duck, who quacks without fail. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for grapes that hang on the vine. H is for hat, looking so fine. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jumped with both of your feet. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for lion who roars loud and high. M is for monkey who loves to climb. N is for nest